Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a requested look by one of my viewers to use two of Pat McGrath Mothership palettes. I'll be using the new Huetopian Dream eyeshadow palette as well as the Subversive Mothership palette to achieve the look you see here. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. As I always do, I'm starting off with some Scotch tape and placing it on the back of my hand to remove some of the tackiness, and placing it at the corner of my eye and angling it up towards my eyebrow so that we can create a sharp cat eye look. I'm going to start off by dipping into the Huetopian Dream eyeshadow palette, dipping between Secret Eden and Shockwave. And I will be using a fluffy blending brush and just going back and forth in the crease, going all the way out to the tape until it is nicely blended. Then I'll be taking my NYX Jumbo Black Pencil and placing that all over my eyelid very generously, and then I'll be taking a flat synthetic brush to spread that out over the lid and keeping it underneath the crease. Next, I'll be taking the Mothership Subversive palette and dipping into the shade Night Creature and placing that on the outermost corner of the eye over top of the black base and winging that out all the way past the tape. Switching back to the Huetopian Dream palette, I'll be dipping into Cosmic Bloom and placing that on the center of the eyelid, again with that same flat synthetic brush. Then I'll be dipping into the Subversive palette using VR Pink and that same brush and just placing that on the inner corner of the eye. Then I'll be taking Astral Orchid and placing that over top of pretty much the entire eyelid. It's just going to enhance that sort of ghosted pink sparkle shade. Back to the Huetopian Dream eyeshadow palette, I'll be dipping into Astral Amethyst Moon and placing that over top of the outer corner where we had placed Night Creature. Then I'll be taking my finger and dipping back into VR Pink and just dotting that all over the eye, just because my finger picks up a lot more pigment than my brush and really creates an impactful shade. And I'll be doing the same thing with Astral Ghost Orchid. Lastly, I'll be removing the tape to create that really crisp wing look, and I'll be adding on some mascara and cleaning up the fallout with a makeup wipe. And that completes the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Again, I had so much fun. I love when you guys request for me to do looks. It really inspires me. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you learned something new. Please give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, leave some comments, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!